This is the tom. I would assume from experience that all of this is spiel. In a case like this, I'd really like to make my life a little bit easier. So I'm now using a tool known as strip silence. The key command is Command and U. Yeah, and it's coming from the edit menu. Over here, somewhere in there is strip silent, Command U. If you've used this tool before, you know how capable it is. We first need to adjust the threshold. I really want to get the threshold right and set it high enough so that all the spill is cut out and only the toms remain. And then I definitely want to zoom in a little bit further. Here's that final tom. We can play with the start pad, which in my case is probably a little bit too long. So let me just rein this in. You can probably see how that changed the onset over here. So that square is what is going to remain, and then we want to make it a little bit longer. Okay, so that's it, done, stripped, and then I just hit Command F to batch fade, and it does all the work for me. So here's a very simple way how I reduce tracks to the absolute minimum. It keeps my production nice and clean.